Hey guys, this is Mahita. Welcome back to Mahita Smart Education. Today we are starting some series of videos on PHP, a server-based scripting language. So before starting, what is PHP? So we have to know about what is this scripting language. There is a small difference between programming language and scripting language. Let us know that. In programming language, if we write the source code, then the compiler will convert it into machine code and then the machine will understand it. So, whereas in scripting language, we are using interpreter. Interpreter. So, here we are using compiler. So, if you write the source code, then it will it will be directly read by the machine by using interpreter. So this is the main difference between compiler and interpreter. Now let us see some more differences between interpreter and compiler. In interpreter, the code is executed one by one. Like if the first step is executed, then it will be move on to the second step. If second step is executed, then it will move on to the third step like that. But whereas in the compiler, it executes the entire code. So it takes some time. So it takes more time. So it is less efficient. So whereas interpreter it takes very less time, so it is efficient, and it does not generate intermediate code, and it generates intermediate code. So these are the main differences between interpreter and compiler. And PHP is the acronym for hypertext preprocessor. Now let's see what are the advantages of using PHP is widely used open source. Open source means it is free to download and use. We can easily download it and we can use it. And PHP file extension is .php. For example, mahi.php or test.php, etc. And PHP can generate dynamic pages, and it collects the data and receives cookies and modify database. Even it modifies the database also. And PHP data can be encrypted. And not only those, PHP can be run on various platforms, like we can use Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. We can use it on any platform, and it is compatible to any server like Apache, IIS, etc. And it supports wide range of databases, and it is easy to run and run efficiently on server side. And as we say earlier, from Facebook to Wikipedia and from WordPress to Drupal, PHP is widely used these days. WordPress and Drupal are CMS tools. Those are content management system tools, and they are mainly used for web development only. And PHP is not a case sensitive, so we can use both smalls and caps in our sentences. And echo is used to print the data, and it is similar to print in PHP. And as we know that programming language and scripting language, so this is the main difference. And example for programming languages are Java, C++, C, etc. And whereas scripting languages are PHP, JavaScript, Python, etc. And every coin has two sides, right? So there are some drawbacks for PHP also. Like the first drawback is lack of security. Because PHP is an open source, it is widely available in online. We can easily download it and use it, so it lacks security. And the second one is it has the lack of dedicated libraries. It doesn't have the dedicated libraries, unlike Python. For example, in Python, if we want to write the factorial code, in Python inbuilt function is there. And PHP we does not find like that. So this is the main difference that is between PHP and Python. So PHP is lacking the libraries. So these are the drawbacks, and this is the small introduction of PHP. And hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, and comment below. I will upload some series of videos on PHP, so please do watch them, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.